Hey guys, Jetta Coupe 43 here, and today we're going to start the process of the revival of my 1990 Jetta Coupe with a VR6 swap. Now the engine that's in here right now is a little tired, got a little bit of lifter noise up top, and what sounds like a lower end knock in the bottom. Either way, I'm going to do the right thing and swap it out for another engine. Maybe rebuild this one, do a couple more things to it, and prepare it for a turbocharger later in life. But the spare engine that I have is over here. And actually I got it with the transmission as well. I'm going to do a full swap over to OBD2 engine management, and I'm going to bolt up air conditioning as well as a Mark IV shifter box, because the Mark III box that's in the car right now is really awful, really sloppy. And really just gonna reseal this engine, slap it in, and send her off. This is a 90,000 mile motor, so it should do the job real nice. So right now, we're gonna fire her up for the first time in about a year. I got the battery jumper hooked up. Should light right off. Last time I tried to start her, the fuel pump relay was no good. So she wouldn't start, but I don't think there should be any problem now. There we go. Plenty of fuel. Might go for a test drive. Just temporary, so I can move it around, get it in position for the engine swap. Gonna check the oil is good, coolant level's good, brake fluid looks good. So we give it a shot. She's only sat a year, but the stench in here is absolutely unbearable from the mice. I don't see any mice in here, but you never know where they might be hanging out. Still runs and drives just fine, but if you listen in the acceleration parts of the video, you can hear the upper end ticking, and then you can hear the knocks start to come in. It's not bad, but I don't want to keep running it because I'm going to hurt it eventually. Might as well save it while I still can. But this is just proof of concept that everything was still functioning electrically, so yeah. Still sounds so good. Well, I got her all turned around and ready for the transplant. Give you a good view of the color here. This is an Autoflex coating. Basically like fancy plasti dip. It gets laid on with a paint gun. It's sandable, buffable, polishable, and yet still peelable like plasti dip. Unfortunately, she's really, really hideously dirty. But that's just how it is. And this is where she's gonna sit until she gets done. So, yeah, tonight starts the work.